If you're planning to become a teacher in the United States, you've probably heard of the Praxis. But what exactly is it, and why does it matter so much for your career? Hi everyone, I'm Olivia, a test prep expert specializing in helping students and aspiring teachers succeed in high-stakes exams. On this channel, we break down complex education topics into clear, practical strategies you can actually use. In today's video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about the Praxis in just 10 minutes. From what it is, to how it works, to how you can start preparing effectively right away. Let's start with the basics so you know exactly what you're dealing with. The Praxis is a series of standardized tests used in the United States to measure the knowledge and skills you need to become a teacher. These exams are created by ETS, and they're required in many states as part of the teacher certification process. There are three main types of Praxis tests. First, the Praxis Core covers reading, writing, and math. Second, the Praxis Subject Assessments focus on specific subjects like math, science, or English. Third, the Praxis PLT, or Principles of Learning and Teaching, evaluates your teaching knowledge and classroom skills. Not every state requires all three, but most teaching candidates will need to pass at least one of these to move forward in their career. Now that you know what the Praxis is, let's talk about why it's actually important for you. The Praxis isn't just another test. It's the gateway to your teaching career. Without passing the required exams, you typically can't get licensed or certified to teach. But beyond certification, the Praxis also ensures that you're truly prepared to step into a classroom. It assesses not just what you know, but how well you can apply that knowledge in real teaching scenarios. For you, this means two things. Passing the Praxis brings you one step closer to your career, and preparing for it actually helps you become a better educator. Think of it less as a barrier and more as a quality checkpoint that helps you build confidence before you start teaching. Now, before you jump into studying, there are a few essential logistics you need to understand, because these can impact your timeline, your budget, and even your eligibility. First, let's talk about the registration process. It's straightforward but important to get right. You'll register through the official ETS Praxis website, choose your test, select a testing date, and decide whether to take it at a test center or at home, depending on availability. Make sure you register early, especially during peak testing seasons, so you can secure the date that works best for you. The next thing you need to know is the test fees. Praxis exam costs vary depending on the specific test, but most fall roughly between $90 and $180. If you're taking multiple exams, these costs can add up quickly, so it's important to plan ahead and only schedule your test when you feel prepared. Now let's look at the scoring system. Praxis tests are typically scored on a scale that ranges roughly from 100 to 200, depending on the exam. Your score report will show whether you passed, along with a breakdown of your performance by content area. But here's the key. Passing scores are not universal. Each state sets its own requirements, meaning the score you need in one state might be different in another. Always check your state's specific criteria before taking the test. Next, let's understand the retake policy, which catches a lot of people off guard. If you don't pass your exam, you'll need to wait at least 28 days before retaking it. That delay can slow down your certification process, so it's another reason why solid preparation the first time really matters. And finally, one last important detail is the validity period of your scores. In most cases, Praxis scores are valid for up to 10 years, which gives you flexibility, but it's still best to use them as soon as possible in your certification process. If you already know which Praxis tests you need to take, register as early as possible to secure your preferred date and avoid last-minute stress. Starting your preparation early gives you enough time to build confidence, focus on weak areas, and walk into the exam fully prepared. And if you're ready to start studying, explore Study.com's Praxis Prep tools to build your personalized plan and take your next step toward becoming a certified teacher. Study.com's Praxis Prep resources are built by experts who know these exams inside and out, so you're learning exactly what you need to succeed. With structured lessons, targeted practice, and test-aligned content, you can study smarter and feel confident on test day. So, how do you actually succeed on the Praxis? Let's break that down. One of the biggest misconceptions about the Praxis is that it's just basic knowledge. In reality, it requires targeted preparation and strategy. First, you need to understand your specific test format. Each Praxis exam has different question types, time limits, and scoring systems, so knowing what to expect is key. Second, focus on your weak areas early. Many candidates waste time reviewing what they already know instead of improving where they struggle. Third, practice under real test conditions. Timing, stamina, and familiarity with question styles can make a huge difference in your final score. Finally, don't underestimate test strategy. strategy. Things like eliminating wrong answers, pacing yourself, and understanding question wording can significantly boost your performance. With Study.com, study your way. Watch a video, read a lesson, drill with practice questions or flashcards. We have the tools that fit your unique study style. Okay, let's wrap everything up so you leave with a clear plan. The Praxis might feel overwhelming at first, but once you understand how it works and how to prepare for it, it becomes much more manageable and even an opportunity to grow as an educator. Your teaching career starts here. Start early, stay consistent, and use Study.com's resources to guide your preparation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on test prep strategies and teaching careers. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next video.